Day one in Korea. Just trying to find some good barbecue. Okay, so far all the side dishes already so delicious. Oh my god. Yeah. Now, look at this real deal Korean barbecue with not the gas shit we have at home. Yeah, that's right. Yes. Ooh. Listen to that sound. Yeah. Yes. This is beef ribs. Nice belly. Belly.
Oh. You said you just use that. Yeah, pretty cool.
Look at all my girls. Get some more masks.
And these. How many beers?
This chicken is Suwon. Where are we going, guys? Busan, that's right.
This one.
Woo! Let's take a look around first. Yeah, look at my live octopus sashimi. Eat that thing.
Oh my god, I feel so bad.
You chew it, yeah. Ready? To do a video. I want live octopus.
These chopsticks stuff so fast.
Baby, it's
Still
done. It sticks in my throat.
Bon appetit, though.
Fish cake. Yeah. To the temple in the rain. Na, 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 na. This temple better be beautiful. Pork barbecue. This is pork backbone. I like to move it. Ooh, yeah, look at that juicy piece of pork. Mmm. This tastes like heaven, Jason. Mmm. Yeah. What do you think about this piece of pork? Mmm. Oh yeah.
Eat it.
Mmm. I'm just treasuring it. Cheese, pork. Cheers. Every Korean restaurant, this is where they put utensils. How neat.
Thank you.
Back at it again. More barbecue. Woo. Look at that cute little octopus.
Yeah,
I'm gonna eat you. Yeah. Hello.
charge no money, right?
Doma meat. Look at their commitment. So without commitment to our customer that we do not sell the food which is not tasty and edible, we keep our promise with you. So if we don't like the food here, it's free. We had to get some bibimbap. Yo. Oh yeah. Back at it. Oh, back at it. Sorry. Bye, friends. Yes. Doing the slow-mo. All I do is eat no matter what. Ooh. Who wants some black pig? Specialized in Korea. Made in Korea. Where are we going, guys? Ooh. Yeah. Last meal in Korea. Let's get some barbecue. Some pancakes. So good. So, eating more crack today. Last meal, last barbecue meal in Korea. Oh, sorry, second last meal of the day. Okay.